So at KPMG, we're keenly aware there are many rooms and spaces where sometimes women find themselves as the only at the table. We engaged with WLDA because we wanted to provide an opportunity for our women leaders inside KPMG who lead DNA and AI initiatives to see themselves and other senior level people. So we engaged with WLDA, curated a 6-part speaker series, really featuring some of the most phenomenal women across industry. And we were able to curate kind of an editorial calendar, focusing on topics that were important to our women at PMG. And it's been phenomenal. I would definitely say it's met or exceeded our expectations. And one of the things we're trying to do at PMG to make series more than a point in time event, and do things like internal watch parties and really use the content as a jumping off point for our women and allies to discuss within themselves. Say the most impactful session was the first session. It was focused on data and analytics journeys, really leaning into some of our luminaries' career journeys, sort of where they started, where they ended. What I thought was so fascinating about that is I think many of us in the audience saw ourselves in these women. I mean, many of these women didn't sort of take the path starting at the bottom of the ladder going to the top. Many of them took sort of steps left and steps right, and some of these women actually kind of had a mid-career career switch. So I thought that was a phenomenal way to kick off this series. I found it to be really inspiring, and we received incredible feedback from that session. So that was, I think, one of the most impactful sessions we had and a great way to kick off the series. I think it's critically important for women to have representation and leadership in data and analytics and AI positions. I mean, it's critical that we have our perspectives at the table. It's critical that those who are coding the algorithms are diverse, and that means bringing in different point of views, different perspectives. And I think it's critical that women have a seat at the table when making some of the most important decisions in this space. What I love so much about the WLDA at Work speaker series is people are seeing women leaders leading organizations. People are seeing women leaders at the table making some of the most important decisions inside their firm. Our women see these leaders and our allies see these women leaders. So I think it's critical. I think it sets an example for who we want to be. I think it sets an example for where society, I believe, needs to be in ensuring we have gender equity at the table. So I think this speaker series really does set a good example for our people, for our women, and for our male allies. It's been phenomenal engaging with WLDA women leaders in data and analytics. I feel like this relationship has so much potential. I feel like we've really just tapped the surface, and I'm really looking forward to where we can together build this relationship. I'm Tammy Ryley with KPMG, and I support Impact.